Okay, so welcome back to Quick Calculus, and in this video, pag-usapan natin is yung exponential functions, no? Derivative of exponential functions. So, yung derivative ng any exponential function a to the x, wherein a is greater than 0 and a is not equal to 1, okay, is just a to the x ln a. Okay, remember, a to the x ln a. And yung most amazing thing about this is if we say e to the x, no? So, yung derivative neto would be e to the x ln e. And again, ln e is equal to 1, no? So, we have here yung derivative na e to the x is equal to itself. And that is one of the most amazing things about derivatives, in my opinion, sa basic calculus. Okay? So, in the next few videos, gagawa tayo ng examples on logarithmic and exponential functions. So, see you there.